Hello there, just got done watching Scream 6, a 2-hour and 1-minute movie that came out in 2023. It is rated R. It's the next installment. The survivors of the Ghostface killing leave Woodsboro behind and start a fresh chapter in New York City. This is a horror suspense, and I feel like they did a pretty good job with this movie, and they definitely kind of followed the same everything that they have since the beginning of this franchise. Yeah, I'd give it a 4 out of 5 stars.
Yeah, solid 4, yeah.
Yeah. If they come out with another movie, I probably won't bother though, because I'm just kind of done with the whole Scream franchise in general. It just got, it was good, but just in general, it's the idea of its concept of it's just getting a little bit boring for me. So I wouldn't watch this again, but if you are a fan of horror movies or the Scream franchise in general, I would say this is worth checking out.
Oh yeah, it's worth a watch. Yeah.
I will link it below or pin it in the comments. And if you've seen Scream 6, what did you think about it? And if you have not seen it, have you seen any of the Scream movies? Any of them at all? Let me know down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.